It's pitch black. And it's like 4 in the morning and we're walking on the volcano, I think. I'm not really sure.
No, we're not
on a
the
mountain to the viewpoint where we can see the volcano. We just had a jeep ride here and it was really bumpy, but it was good. It wasn't too scary. Look, you can see something now. And there's a ton of jeeps here, all going up to see the sunrise. Sun is up. Let's have to find our jeep between all these jeeps.
Yeah. Not that difficult, right?
It wasn't dark or anything when we left it. Can you give us a tour of the jeep?
A tour of the jeep?
Not really much to the tour.
Driver.
2 passengers.
Like
4 passengers.
And basically, there is no place to hold on to when you get on the bumpy road.
And there's no seatbelts.
No, why would you eat those?
We're walking.
Still nowhere near the top.
Nope. It's supposed to be a 40-minute walk.
I hope less.
I hope less too. We'll see. So now we're at our hotel. And this is our view, pretty nice. And here we can see like what we walked. I'll try to zoom in. We started there and then we walked all the way to there and then up, and then you can see the stairs there. That's the stairs we walked up. So it's pretty far what we walked. So we're proud of ourselves. And now we deserve a shower and hopefully some good breakfast. My feet look so disgusting. They're all black from the sand. Bored. Waiting for a flight to Bali.
I did it again.
Yeah. I look so horrible. I look like I haven't slept in 5 days. Which is somewhat true, but yeah, so we're just waiting and we should be boarding in about half an hour, I think. And then we have an hour flight and then we're in Bali, hopefully. We've been flying for like 10 minutes. They already said, Kevin crew, please prepare Kevin for landing.
Crazy. We thought that it was gonna be like from an hour long.
Yeah. And
only an hour.
This is the first time since we've been sitting here that it's actually pretty quiet.